Do you have a task or challenge that could help prepare a student for the real-world job market? If your business has an established team of IT professionals that students can learn from, we have an opportunity for you to join our work-based learning course as an industry partner. As part of this course, students work directly with your organization on a meaningful practical project. Students will contribute approximately 10 hours per week to your project, and work can be completed remotely, in person, or hybrid, depending on what works best for you and the students.
I was part of the work-based learning course, and I was paired with a local company called Elements. My classes have really helped me prepare for developing this project. The databases, web development, and object-oriented programming have all merged together to help fundamentals in this project.
We hosted 2 projects in the last year, one of which was around AI, and it was about building a framework to help us test and evaluate AI models to ensure that when we take these things and put them into production with our features, they're scalable in terms of cost, performance, and then we've got a bit more reassurance that the data is actually doing what the data should be doing.
The other project we had with the university is automated media management storage. Basically, we want to automate the different tiers that the storage can be used, from code to hot to archive, depending on where it's stored. And the point of that is so we can basically make it more cost efficient.
As part of the work experience course, I worked with the University of Aberdeen IT Services Department on a project to make a dashboard to visualize the metrics of their high-performance compute clusters.
This project has really helped with my employability. I've been able to put it in my social media, on my job applications. It's been a really nice portfolio piece.
I think one of the most important things in this project was the fact that I was working within a fully functioning software development team, and the fact that I was able to do this so seamlessly will really help with my employability, as I will now be able to bring that experience forward and display it to employers in future.
For other companies looking to work with the university, I would recommend that they kind of find out more about this program. It's an alternative way of doing like a summer internship. It's a different way to connect with the university. And for us, it meant that we could give away a little bit of R&D. We can get the insights back, and then we can choose what worked, what hasn't worked, and then that's helped us evolve in our product and what we're doing.
For those that are looking to work with university, I would say yes, definitely go for it. It is a cost-effective for yourself to basically look into investigate areas that you were interested in but don't even know where to start. And also it's great to look ahead, or as the company grows, you need more people to hire, and this is great to get a long-term interview process, basically where you get to know the person. That's what I say, definitely go for it.
I would definitely recommend doing the work-based learning course to any other students. It is an experience that you are unlikely to get anywhere else in university, and is one that, while studying, can provide you with many of the same benefits as an internship.
I would absolutely recommend other students and companies getting involved. It's been absolutely fundamental to my development.
Projects start mid-September and run for 10 weeks. We only ask you to propose a suitable project and contribute at least 1 hour per week of your time to help to guide the students. There are no other costs involved. Therefore, if you have some interesting projects to offer and are interested in building relationships with future talent at no financial costs, this opportunity might be just for you.